Hello everyone, so you're welcome to today's video. In this video, I want to show you, a school that you can apply to, to migrate abroad, right? Study is like one of the easiest, if not the easiest way, for anyone, to make it to another country, because we cannot meet the requirements, for highly skilled workers, for shortage occupations, occupations in demand and all of that, you can do it through study. So if you don't want to go through the whole applying for jobs, getting a visa sponsorship job and all of that, just apply to a school, get admission. Getting admission is one of the easiest things, right? And then you get your study visa and then you move down to the country. So it's as easy as that, right? So in this video, I want to show you an amazing opportunity, no application fees, right? So you apply for free and there are also financial aid available. There are scholarships and all of that. So this is a very good opportunity, and that is why I'm bringing it to you. So if you're just meeting, my name is Jackie, and you're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe, right? So you can be seeing more information like this, and also turn on the post notification. It's very important so you will not miss any video I post. When you turn on the post notification, every time I post a video, you get a notification and then you click that notification and then you watch the video, because if you want to relocate, you need a lot of information. Like one video is not enough, it may not be enough. So you need to like know different things, different pathways, so you can find the one that is best for you to migrate. And if you want to talk to me one-on-one, about your own personal needs, do send me an email so we can arrange for a one-on-one call where we'll get to talk about your own needs. All right. And you can also send me a DM on Instagram. And then, those are ways you can reach me and we'll arrange, a one on one call, if you have your own personal concerns, right? So let me show you the school that you can apply for immediately. This school has a lot of programs to choose from. So for undergraduate majors, we have all of this: Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Applied Sciences, Business Administration, Commercial Aviation, Fine Arts, Music Education, Science in Education, Science in Entertainment, Industry Studies, Bachelor of Science in Interdisciplinary Studies, Bachelor of Science in Nursing, in Social Justice and Criminology, Social Work, Pre-Professional Curricula. So let's see what they have for graduates. So if you're doing a master's, this is what you get, or a PhD, right? So they have the Integrated Master of Business Administration. They have Applied Science in Geospatial Information Technologies. They have Liberal Studies, Teaching, Commercial Aviation, Education in Counseling, Educational Administration and Supervision, Elementary Education, Secondary Education, Professional Accountancy, Nursing, Social Justice and Criminology, Sports and Human Performance, Nurse Educator, Family Nurse Practitioner, Administration and Supervision, Counseling, Curriculum and Instruction, elementary education, higher education, and Doctor of Education in Professional Studies and Doctor of Nursing Practice. Yeah, so these are masters and PhD programs that you can do in this school. So that is really good. Okay, so let's just go to see admissions information, and especially for international students. So this is for international students. Yeah. So 100 international students are currently enrolled in this school. So this figure changes every year. So for now, there are currently 100, international students enrolled, and there's 96% international retention rate, and they have students from 42 countries at the moment. All right. So let's see deadlines here. They have the one for fall is June 1, right? So the application deadline is June 1, while to submit your documents is July 1. So when the application, closes, you still have another 1 month to submit your documents, right? All right. And then for spring, we have October 15, and then for documentation deadline is November 15. So you can just go ahead and quickly do your application. It takes just a few minutes to fill the application form and all of that. And then you have time to submit your supporting documents. So you can totally meet up with this June 1 deadline if you take action immediately. Yeah. Okay. So they say here, Delta State University welcomes international students to the Mississippi Delta. Whether you are pursuing an undergraduate or graduate degree, we have the right academic program for you. Our goal in International Student Services, a division of the Student Success Center, is to be a home away from home for our international student body. Our international advisors help you receive one on one assistance, guidance, and advice from the very beginning of the application and enrollment process throughout your time at Delta State and post graduation. You know, a whole lot of information. You can read all of that. Okay, so there's even a form here to request for information. So if you have any question, any inquiry, you want to know anything at all, this is the best place to come and ask your question. Okay. All right. So we have here documents. Yeah. So these are documents for the application, right? So all of these are drop downs. These are all drop downs where you can see more information. Yeah. So here it says that an official SAT and ACT score report will need to be submitted and all of that. So IELTS information is here. They give all the band scores. So if you're doing TOEFL, this is the scores you need. If you're doing IELTS, this is the score you need. It's 5.5. And if you're doing Duolingo, 110 is the minimum score here. And they go ahead to say that if you are that the English language proficiency tests are required for freshmen or international transfer students from non-English speaking countries, transfer students who have not completed 30 semester hour transfer requirements from US university. And then English language proficiency tests are waived for students from an English speaking country who can provide an official senior certificate or official letter from high school stating that education was completed primarily in the English language. And this also goes for those that have bachelors. If you're going for masters, then of course you must state that your bachelor's degree was in English and so on, right? So transfer students that have completed 30 semester hour transfer requirement from US university. Okay, so yeah, so if you're an English speaker, you don't need the IELTS. It is waived for you. So these are other information that is relevant, yeah. So in this school, right, remember they said, 42 countries are represented in this school. So these are the countries that currently have students in the school. So if your country is not listed here, it doesn't mean you cannot apply. You can still apply. It only means that right now, currently, these are the countries where they have international students from, if you understand what I mean, right? So we have Argentina, Austria, Bangladesh, Bolivia, Brazil, Bulgaria, Canada, China, Colombia, Costa Rica, Denmark, Dominica, England, Finland, France, Georgia, Germany, Greece, Guatemala, Haiti, Iceland, India, Ireland, Italy, Japan, Kenya, Mexico, Montenegro, Morocco, Netherlands, Nigeria, Pakistan, Russia, Senegal, South Africa, South Korea, Spain, Sri Lanka, Sweden, Thailand, Venezuela, and Vietnam. So if your country is not here, you can still apply, right? You can make your country to be on this list if you take this bold step to apply to this school and then you get your admission to study here. All right. So this is Delta State University. Links are going to be in the description, right? So you can go ahead and apply as soon as possible. So you can check out other information they have in this school, like the financials, financial aid, and all of that, so that you can know, what to expect from the school. So check out the link in the description and start your journey. Okay, so that's it. It's an amazing opportunity. You would agree with me. Okay, so do apply as soon as possible and also share this video with other people so they can get to apply as well. It's always good to share information, so other people can take advantage as well. If you found the video valuable, do give it a thumbs up. That is a like, so other people can get to see it, and also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already so you can be seeing more updates like this. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. My name is Jackie and I will see you in the next one.